At Optiver, we are passionate about sharing our industry knowledge with the next generation of traders. At university, students might learn a lot about the theoretical background of trading. But not many courses exist that teach students how to apply this theory into practice.
That's why we've built OptiBook, our virtual exchange where these different trading concepts come to life. Some problems or challenges that you might run into are the same ones that we face on our real trading floors. Things like order book dynamics, interactions with different market participants, and also how to optimally design your strategy in the first place.
This particular partnership enhances the learning experience for students because it has several components. So Optiver not only provide a course of lectures that give an introduction to, for example, order execution, but also option trading strategies and volatility, but also create a simulated environments in which students can apply their knowledge practically. And it also requires an application of data science skills and coding. And finally, there are also awards and there's healthy competition between students. So there are many different elements, both practical and theoretical and collegial, that I think complement the learning experience that students have as a result of other modules that they take.
This took a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of debugging to essentially make this work, which also makes it so interesting to see them battle against each other, these algorithms.
We have students from across the college. Some of them may not have had much experience with the finance industry, but may have relevant skill sets and may consider a role in the finance industry. And so this is a unique opportunity not just to learn theoretically, but also practically get a sense for what it is like to work in one particular area of finance.
I didn't have any previous knowledge of options market making, so the lectures were really crucial to my understanding. And I felt like conceptualizing this was the most challenging, but also the most rewarding part of it.